السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. باب وضع اليمنى على اليسرى في الصلاة. عن أبي جحيفة أن عليا رضي الله تعالى عنه قال: السنة وضع الكف على الكف تحت السرة. رواه أبو داود. Dear brothers and sisters, my friends, I have recited one hadith, number 756. This is regarding placing of hands on the body. As I already told you from Bukhari and Muslim, and I told you that in Bukhari there is no any fixed place of placing hands either on chest, above the chest, or beneath the chest, below the chest, not mentioned in Bukhari. But it is mentioned that zara, you will place your hands on the zara. This is the zara. This I already explained to you, and I am not going to repeat again. And this is just sunnah. But one thing is very good, reasonable. It is in Bukhari. This in Muslim. It is mentioned that this ala sadrihi. It is in Muslim. It is Muslim available. So anyhow, all these things is sunnah. Now I recited one hadith. This hadith number 756. It is narrated from Abu Juhayfa. He said, Abu Juhayfa is younger Sahabi, this company or Sahabi. He narrated from Ali radhiyallahu anhu. He said that Ali radhiyallahu anhu narrated, or he heard from Ali that Ali radhiyallahu anhu said, as-sunnah was al-kaffi al-kaffi tahta surrah. It is sunnah. It is sunnah to place this, the what is said, the palm. This is the palm inside this inside area or inside place or part of the hand. This is the palm, or this hand, no problem, inside. So this part put like this. It is in Abu Dawud. So a sunnah, it is sunnah to place al-kaf. This is the kaf, palm, or inside hands, on another hand like this. Tahta surra, below the or beneath the navel. This regarding this hadith, this scholars, they are weakening, or they are saying this hadith is weak. As Al-Allama Ash-Shawkani, he said this hadith is weak. And Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, he is saying this hadith is weak. And Imam Al-Bukhari, he said this hadith is weak. And Imam An-Nawawi also, they said. So several scholars, they said this hadith is weak. Why? What is the reason? Reason is because there is one person, this in Asma Ar-Rijal. Asma Ar-Rijal, this is some names before the hadith. Narrators. Asma Ar-Rijal, narrators, likes, for example, someone narrated from Fala. For example, Khalid narrated from Abdurrahman narrated from Abdullah narrated from this Ubaidullah, so at last they reached the Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So from the last to this to reach the Prophet Muhammad Sallam, there are some narrators which are said Asma Ar-Rijal. So there is one name, Abdurrahman ibn Ishaq, in this hadith. One narrator, Abdurrahman ibn Ishaq al-Kufi, he is weak. Islamic scholars, they are saying in this hadith, Abdurrahman ibn Ishaq al-Kufi, he is weak. So this is not not acceptable. Anyhow, this is not haram. It is okay, no problem. But some scholars, they are saying better to place your hands above, like we are placing our hands above the chest. And some they are placing below the chest. Some people, they are keeping their hands above the navel. Some people below the navel. No problem. No problem. Up to you. But different hadith, no problem. Now, also there is one hadith in Abu Dawud. An Ibn Jarir al-Zabiyyi an abihi qala ra'aytu aliyan radiyallahu ta'ala anhu yumsiku shimalahu bi yaminihi ala rusaghi fawqa as-surrah. Fawqa as-surrah. Itself, another hadith. Before I told 756, but this hadith 757. It is narrated from Ibn Jarir al-Zabi. He is narrating from his father. He said that I have seen Ali radhiyallahu anhu, he was grasping or he was catching yumsiku shemalahu. He was catching or holding, or you can say placing his catching his left hand. Yumsiku shemalahu. This is shemal, this is right. He is catching his left hands. This yumsiku shemalahu biyaminihi ala rusghi, with his right hand. This is the right hand. With right hands he was placing or this holding like this, grasping or clasping. Fawqa surrah, above the navel. So below the navel, above the navel, okay. This as per your choice, no problem. All are in hadith. حديث أخذ الأكف على الأكف في الصلاة تحت السرة قال أبو داود حديث ضعيف. But Abu Dawud, Imam Abu Dawud, he himself, he is saying that placing the wrist, this is the wrist, placing the wrist on other wrist, this تحت السرة, below the navel, hadithun za'ifun, it is weak hadith. Imam Abu Dawud, this is number 3 in sequence, like number 1 Bukhari, number 2 Muslim, number 3 Abu Dawud hadith. He is saying, Imam Abu Dawud Muhaddis is saying, this under the navel, this hadith is weak. It is not haram, but no problem. All are the sunnah. Last hadith I will recite to you. An Tawusin qal, kana Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam yaza'u yadahu li yumna ala yadahi li yusra thumma yashuddu baynahuma ala sadrihi wa huwa fi salah. This is also in Abu Dawud. It is narrated from Taus. He is saying that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was placing his right hand on his left hand. Kana yada'u yadahu liyumna. He was placing his right hands ala yusra on left hands. Summa yashuddu bainahuma. Then he was holding like this. Ala sadrihi, on the chest. Wa huwa fi salah, while he is in the prayer. So this is from Abu Dawud. Now I got one hadith. I got also hadith from what is said. This Tirmizi. In Tirmidhi there are both. There are both. This above the navel or above the chest or this below the navel, all are available. Everybody has proof, no problem. It is sunnah. So, but main thing to place hands, right hands on the left hands, but should be on your body, on chest, below the chest, under the navel or above the navel, no problem. Another, there are also some hadiths. It is available, as I got, that placing your hands, but don't leave. Don't leave. That means when you make takbir tahrima, first time Allahu Akbar, it is said takbir tahrima. After takbir tahrima, when you read Surah Al-Fatiha, so place your hand this on the chest or below the chest. After Surah Fatiha, you read another surah. When you go to ruku, after ruku, when you get up, that time also you should place your hands. Some scholars like in Saudi, some Saudis, they are always placing their hands. After ruku, when you go, after ruku, when you stand up, when you get up after ruku, like Sami Allahu liman hamda Rabbana wa lakal hamd, during this period, during this time, just like this 5 seconds, you should place your hands on your body, on your chest, or leaving, no problem. It is up to you. Some ulama, some scholars, they whenever they are standing, they are holding their hands on the body. They are not leaving. They are not leaving. They are, when they are standing, like before ruku, after ruku, and after 2 rakat. After 2 rakat also, when you this stand up, that time also you will raise your hands and this place your hands on your body. So everything alhamdulillah available. Now you can choice. Our priority to place our hands on the chest, no problem, inshallah. Oh Allah, grant us to obey Quran and Hadith. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.